This month by far has to be the defining month of tragedy. Here you have two suspected cases of passion of crime, and the other can only be described as a gruesome murder. So first off on the table you have 59-year-old farmer Valerie Thompson, also known as Miss P, whose body was found with several stab wounds and where she was apparently raped with her head partially severed. The gruesome incident took place in the seemingly quiet community of Clarkstown in Trelawney. After hours of searching and even filing missing persons report, she was found in nearby bushes by her home. Here, as her grief-stricken daughter explained.
Him saying start using machete and like draw away banana trash and like bush until him finally reaches she day. And him draw away some banana trash and him see her shoes first. Then I say him draw the banana trash, go up him see her pants. Don't know the foot. See her clothes tear off. So them chop her up in her head back.
So two suspected persons are now being questioned in relation to the murder. And then another case of if me can't get you, no one else will. Murder, suicide in Springmount, St. James. Police reports are that 23-year-old Wendy Scarlett was shot and killed by her common-law husband, 49-year-old businessman Junior Wint, who in turn shot himself. According to report, Wint got into an argument with Wendy over an undisclosed location she apparently wanted to go. It is understood that it was a funeral, and during the dispute, Wint used his licensed firearm to kill Miss Scarlett and in turn himself. Both were found on the main road with gunshot wounds to their head. And last but certainly not least is the shooting death of 49-year-old Mayling Williams.
It hurt me. You know that I killed my sister. Like that.
Williams was shot and killed by her estranged husband who was visiting from overseas. It is understood that Williams' husband waited for her in her Toyota Hiace bus, which she used to provide transport. She was with her teen nephew, who is now a witness to the murder. However, he was not harmed.
She called me and introduced me to him and said, this is his husband. And when me look at the man and look at the woman, not discriminate nothing still. But you know everybody, when you see a person, you have a feelings. And for me see the man, me said, no sir, man no look right at all. And me I warn the young people them about the girls, the women, the man them, where they on the Facebook and meet these men, who will put them a criminal, because me know, me see it every day happen. And to come here, nobody know about this man, and take him up and kill this woman.
Thanks to quick action from police personnel, her so-called husband was picked up at the Norman Manley International Airport attempting to leave the island. Boy, people, me don't know why I go another little island here, you know, but it really rough. But anyways, these are the stories that are really puzzling people at this moment. So you know the drill. If you want to stay up to date with all things happening in Jamaica, hit that subscription button and click on that notification bell. And if you want to catch up on the latest Rahtid show, you can click right here. With that said, thanks again for watching and I'll see you next time.